Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Sunday, Renew Our Spirit Day, and it is a 2-layer cake for everyone. The first layer is our routines. We only have 3 on Sunday. Our morning routine and our children's morning routine. Our after dinner routine, which is a family affair, and our before bed routine for our children and for ourselves. The second layer is the actual Renew Your Spirit part of our day. So that's the most important part of the day. So after you've got the kids ready and they've had their breakfast, then you're ready to go on and renew your spirit, go to church or whatever it is you do. And when you come back, you're going to feel refreshed, renewed, reinvigorated for the week and spend the rest of the day with the family enjoying. You've got a clean house. You've got kids that are organized, you've helped them with their homework, or if your house isn't clean, it's getting cleaner. If it's not totally decluttered, it's getting better. Look and appreciate the good things that you have and the good things that are happening in your life. And then what we're going to do next is enjoy a meal together. And then, as I said, the after dinner routine, which is a family affair, which can be, you have 2 choices in life. You can have fun or it can be not fun. You can have peace or you can have chaos. It's a choice. So choose to have fun. Choose to have peace. Choose to incorporate your children into your days so that they learn how to do the same thing. Because, I'll tell you this. One of my fly babies just moved, and her next door neighbor, her new next door neighbor, she could hear her fussing at her children in the morning. And she thought, she needs a morning routine. She needs FlyLady. And it's true. There are so many people out there who are just discombobulated because they don't renew their spirit. They don't get up in the morning and get themselves ready before their children. They're frustrated and they don't know why. If you know someone who needs these videos, please share with them. Please share. I would love to be able to go out and contact every single person who needs a FlyLady system and say, hey, let me help you. I would love to do that, but I'm not able to do that. But you are. You can be a force for change by sharing these videos with people who really could use it. Now, don't insult them. Just tell them how great it's been for you, if it's been great for you. If it hasn't, don't do it. But if it's really been great for you, please encourage someone else. Please help them. Help them. It's a terrible place to be. I was there too. I was yelling at my kids too. I had a mess too. I couldn't figure out how to keep the clutter from coming back every time. But I'm telling you how. I'm helping you and I want you to help others. So pray on this today. See if there's someone that you can help. And I encourage you to share these with them. All right, that's it for today. Have a fabulous day and always remember that you are beautiful.